Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule and joining us for the Oliver Motors walk around video of a 2015 Volvo XC60 T5 Premier all-wheel drive. Hi, this is Del from Oliver Motors, and I'm going to be walking around and showing you some of the great features that this Volvo XC60 has to offer. Now, the XC60 has been out for a couple of years now. It has a sleeky style exterior, stylish cabin, engraving driving dynamics. But best of all, those characteristic attributes distinguish what is still a sensible vehicle with plenty of family-friendly space and features. Complemented that with a top-notch crash test score. As we walk around this XC60, you'll see that the Volvo has a look kind of all of its own. More of that station wagon look, giving you the SUV feel. Body lines that are different than most of the vehicles on the market today. That kind of sleek front look. Great features on this like the alloy wheels, the blinker that's built into the side mirror. Great safety feature. As we open up the driver's door and take a look inside, this particular vehicle is equipped with the side detection, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, all right there at the driver's fingertips. Driver's side power seats with the memory seat capability. The tan leather interior. I was impressed getting inside this with how comfortable these seats really were. Your headlamp controls on the dash. Moving over towards the steering wheel on the left-hand side, you have your cruise control right there at your fingertips. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your radio controls and your hands-free. On the toggle on the left-hand side behind, you have your blinkers and your brights. On the right-hand side, you have your windshield wipers for the front and the rear. As we scroll up towards the dash, we're going to take a look at that big, bright LED display. Very easy to read no matter what time of day or night it is. The push-button start. The big screen at the center stack in the center of the vehicle. AM, FM, XM, and CD. Climate controls down below. In your climate control switches, you also have the push button for the front heated seats. Automatic shifter. A great amount of storage. The two cup holders are hidden away. The center armrest that opens up, giving you a nice deep area for storage, along with your USB port and iPod port that you saw down there. A nice big glove box that has the owner's manual right in front of the passenger seat. As we get out, we're going to take a look up on top. And as we move to the back, we're going to take a look at the big sunroof that goes over not only the driver and passenger in the front, but also the rear. As we move around to that back seat, opening up the door, power windows right there on the door handle. Nice big second row, 5-person capability, heated leather seats in the back. The back seat, the armrest folds down in the case you have 1 or 2 people in the back for storage and cup holders and an armrest. Back seat drops down very nicely, giving you a nice level plateau in case you don't have passengers in the back but need more room for cargo. Very impressed with the amount of room that is in that back seat. I like those taillights, that third brake light up on top. I mean, they've done a lot when it comes to the safety to make sure that the vehicle is seen from the back. They've also done a lot with the amount of storage that's in the back of this vehicle. Storage underneath, the covering the spare tire jack assembly. And look at the amount of room that's in that back. That 60-40 split that's in the back seat, again, dropping those back seats down, giving you even more room, almost like having a small truck with a full-time topper. As we move around the front of the vehicle, we're going to pop open the hood, take a look at this 2.5-liter motor. Everything that you need to check or fill is easily accessible right up on top. Great safety features like crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, both front and rear. If you'd like more information, you'd like to see more pictures, visit us at olivermotors.com.